Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Leica Mobile no service issue in just a few easy steps. First, check your network coverage. Make sure you're in an area where Leica Mobile has signal. If you're in a remote area, coverage might be limited. Next, restart your phone. A quick reboot can fix temporary connection glitches. Then check airplane mode. Make sure it's turned off from your control panel or settings. If you still have no signal, try manually selecting the Leica mobile network. Go to your phone settings, then mobile networks, and network operators, and choose Leica Mobile from the list. Finally, check your SIM card. Make sure it's properly inserted and not damaged. If possible, test it in another phone to confirm if the issue is with the SIM or your device. And that's it. These simple steps usually fix the no service problem. If not, contact Leica Mobile Support for further help. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.